Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are a part of Premier Squad, thank you so much for watching with us. In today's video, I have a current favorites video. I have not done one of these probably since the beginning of summer maybe. So I don't like to do them all the time unless I actually have something to share with you guys. And I've just been accumulating different favorites, so I'm going to share them with you guys today. And if you are interested in this hair, I do have a review up on it already. It's from Curls. I'll put that on the info card for you guys. So I have my planner here and I'm going to share with you guys my faves. Okay, first of all, we're going to start with my planner, which is the Passion Planner. I have been using the Passion Planner for the last 2 months, and yeah, I think since the end of July. Yeah, so it's been about 2 months. You guys know, if you don't know, I've been a ride or die happy planner babe since 2018, the end of 2018. But some stuff happened, you know, recently that kind of turned me off from them. But I mean, I still use their stickers because they, regardless of, you know, what transpired with them, I still think they have some of the best stickers out there. But I decided to switch it up and try a different planner. So I have the Passion Planner Weekly, and it was kind of an adjustment because you can't take out the pages like you do with the Happy Planner. But I figured out how to do this without any issue, and I am loving it. I'm gonna pop in some of my recent spreads that I've done with this. If you watched my A Week in the Life of a Full-Time Influencer vlog, if you haven't, you should, because it's really good. But I talk about how important it is to have a planner if you are really anybody, but especially if you are, you know, an influencer or a content creator. I feel like when I started to use a planner, it, you know, made me feel like I was on top of everything. And I was way more organized as far as my time went and everything. So I have 2 Passion Planners. This one is for social media, and then I have a catch-all, which is for everything. So I really love it. I have the classic size. I have 2 classic size Passion Planners, and they are the weekly version. They do have a daily version, and they do have digital. So, okay, so I don't really have a lot of wigs to share with you guys, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm not gonna be doing a quarter 3 wrap up for you guys as far as my favorite wigs, because during quarter 3 I had box braids, I had knotless braids, and then I also had crochet. I had crochets in, so I didn't really, you know, do as many reviews as I normally do. So I don't have any favorites that I reviewed during quarter 3. But one of my favorite wigs that I wore a lot within August and September was Curls Laura. So I reviewed Laura at the beginning of this year, and I just had some more time to, you know, wear my wigs. And I love when that happens, when I'm gonna try to do that for you guys, like have less wigs so I can focus on the ones that I already have and revisit them. So I revisited her, and I've been wearing her so much because it looks like my hair, and the lace looks good outside. I apply it within like 5 minutes. It's just all around amazing. It is expensive, but it's so worth it because the lace looks good, the hairline looks good, the curls look great. It's just a wonderful wig. And if you're looking for a really good kinky curly like frontal kind of wig, definitely check out Laura. I'll put the review and update on the info card for you guys. All the stuff that I mentioned will be linked in the description box if I can find it for you guys. Okay, and one more wig I want to mention, which is a classic in the synthetic wig streets, and that is Free Tress Janie. So, Free Tress Janie is so clutch to me. Like, I have worn her when I revisited her back in May, I believe, May or June. I had her on with like a beat face and everything, and she looked beautiful. And then when I was doing my Week in the Life vlog, I was reaching for her so much, and I was wearing her without makeup, and she still looked really good. So it's not gonna be serving up hairline because it is a basic part, simple part wig, but I love wigs like that. And It's just a beautiful like straight style with some layers in it, and I'm a fan of Free Trust Jamie. Yeah, I'm gonna show you, like, you guys probably, you know, if you watch that vlog, I was wearing her so much that week, and she just looks pretty. She is an easy wig to just apply and look a little bit more put together. So those were the only 2 wigs I wanted to mention to you guys. But in Q4, I'm gonna be reviewing a lot more wigs, so I'll have like a wrap up for you guys. Okay, an accessory that I have been loving for the past month is the necklace that I have on now, and I'll pop in a closer picture of it for you guys. So this is the Kate Spade initial necklace. It's a very simple, understated necklace, but it's just a great everyday kind of piece that I'm gonna be reaching for. Yeah, I saw Maddie James, she wears this all the time with her initial on it, and I finally picked it up, and I love it. It's just so simple and understated, because I don't really do like crazy necklaces anymore like that, like chunky statement necklaces. I do more dainty pieces. This is one of my everyday accessories that I wear, and it's relatively inexpensive. I think it's like $50 or something like that. I just think it's super cute. I worked with Venus back in August, and one of my favorite pieces from the haul that I did with them was the green t-shirt dress, and it had pockets and a nice v-neck. So it's just very comfortable. You can definitely wear it as like a house dress, just like something comfortable around the house, but you can add a belt and then, you know, elevate it a little bit. Perfect summer dress to wear with sandals and stuff, but now that it's getting into fall, you can pair it with some booties or a moto jacket to, you know, bring it into the new season. But I have worn that dress so much. Okay, so let's talk about foundation. I use this foundation literally all the time, and you've probably seen it in my videos. So I think I've been using this religiously probably the last 3 years. And it's not a high-end foundation at all. It's Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have the shades Toffee and Cocoa. So Cocoa is like my summer shade, and Toffee is like my winter kind of shade. And today I have on Cocoa. Cocoa is a little bit dark for me right now, so I just mixed it in with a lighter foundation. And for $6, this is so good. It looks so good on my skin. It has a nice matte look to it. It just looks great on me. And the color matches are great, both Toffee and Cocoa. Okay, keeping in line with makeup, I wanted to mention the Mented Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. So particularly in the shades Blood Orange and Hot Date. So Blood Orange is obviously like a rich kind of burnt orange, and then Hot Date is a true brown. So I lined my lips with Hot Date, and then I put Blood Orange in the middle, and I took some pictures, you know, with that on, and it's just so beautiful. I think that's like the perfect lip combo for fall. Y'all know I already love burnt orange. Like, it's here, it's there, it's everywhere. So that lip combo is so pretty. And this year was my first time trying anything from Mented Cosmetics, and I'm so impressed with the formula, how it feels on your lips. It's not too dry. It's just so beautiful. You guys see, like, with the pictures that I posted, it's really, really gorgeous. And Mented is a Black-owned company, so, you know, that's, you know, the icing on the cake right there. And keeping in line with the orange, blood orange color, is the head wrap that I got from Wrap Life. So I wore that actually with that lip combo that I just mentioned, and I wear that head wrap so much, and I just wear it every day because it's just so cute. And if I don't want to wear a bonnet, sometimes I'll just put that on top of it just to kind of elevate my look, and so I'm not wearing just a bonnet. And then you can dress it up, have a beat face, and then a nice head wrap over your natural hair, or obviously you guys know I love wigs. You can pair it with wigs as well. I have several head wraps from the Wrap Life, so if you guys want to see like a haul or like a styling video with my head wraps, I can definitely do that for you guys this fall, this winter. And I'm going to quickly mention some of the YouTubers that I've been watching all summer. I've already mentioned them before on my channel, but I just want to emphasize the point that I really enjoy their content. First of all, it's Minna Adubia, and I hope I'm saying her last name correctly, but Minna is amazing. She is so talented with her makeup. She's very funny. Her setup looks so good. She has a 4K setup. She actually inspired me to get a new camera. I'm not filming with it now. I just ordered it yesterday. I decided to get the camera that she uses, which is a Canon 90D, and hopefully I can get my setup to look like hers, because I'm going to start filming again in my filming space upstairs. So hopefully, you know, I can get my setup to look as crystal clear and beautiful as hers. She's just so dope, for real. She's inspired me on so many things. Like, I'm trying to get more into skincare. Like, watching her videos has inspired me to get more into skincare and perfumes. Like, she's inspired me a lot. So yeah, so if you have not subscribed to Minna's channel, you absolutely should. She's great. I also wanted to mention again Leah Levine. She's been around a long time, but I really got into her content this summer, and I still watch her a lot. Not only her crochet content, but a lot of her vlogs. I love her vlogs, and they're long too. They're like 50 minutes, but I'm so engaged in her content. I just like Leah a lot. She's really smart and strategic about content creating, and I live for Leah Levine. I think she's great. If you're really into crochet content, then you already know about her, but check out her vlogs as well. She did like a solo girl travel summer. How did she say that? A summer of travel, just solo travel, and she vlogged a lot of that this summer, and it was really cool to watch. And lastly, I wanted to mention again, love Lexi Nicole. She does a lot of lifestyle content as far as like home decor and cooking and cleaning videos. She inspires me to get my stuff together as far as like decorating and staying on top of cleaning and grocery shopping. She's just, it's nice to follow people like that make you want to do better and elevate your life. And she's also from South Carolina, which I love. I love to see people from where I'm from, you know, elevating and growing so much. She's grown a lot with her channel, like subscribers. Just, I think when I discovered her channel earlier this year, she was at like 20K, but now she just hit 50K, which is amazing. And Leah Levine, she's from North Carolina too. So 2 Carolina girls that I like to watch. So I wanted to mention 2 things from Amazon that I love. And I do want to do some Amazon specific favorite videos for you guys, especially home decor. So these 2 items will definitely be echoed in those videos that you guys see, but I'm gonna have a lot of Amazon focused content for you guys. So the first is this Amazon plant that you guys saw in like a lot of my pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. I don't have it in this room right now because it's in my office, but I was watching Nita Danielle's channel, and I was always like, oh my God, I love that plant that she has right beside her when she's filming her videos, her fashion hauls and stuff. So I decided to get one off of Amazon. So it might be more expensive on Amazon than just going to like Ross or something like that, but it's a gamble going to those stores, so I just wanted to get it off of Amazon, and I've been loving it. It's a great prop for shooting content and stuff at home, and it's a great alternative to, you know, buying a real plant. Like in my house, I have a mixture of faux plants and real plants, and I love that. I love that one. I would actually buy a second one to put in my house. So check that out, especially if you do like fashion content or you want like more of that like bohemian mood in your space. I think that plant would be perfect. And something else I want to mention, is actually in front of me, but it's covered with makeup and hair products. It's this collapsible or foldable desk that I got from Amazon. So like I told you guys, I've been filming in this space for the last 3 months because my office has been like under construction a little bit, and I'll be done with my office within the next 2 weeks, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a reveal for you guys coming up. I've been vlogging that whole situation there. I use this foldable table so I could do a setup in the corner of my bedroom, and it's been working out perfectly. Now, I'm going to be recording a lot of content in here, so I haven't been breaking this down. But if you just want to film in different locations in your house, you set this table up easily, and then you can break it down and fold it and slip it under your bed or put it in your closet or something so it's out of the way. So I think this is perfect for people who don't want to take up too much space with, you know, YouTube equipment and stuff like that. Again, I'm gonna have some more Amazon focused favorites coming up for you guys, so definitely look out for that. And lastly, we're gonna talk about like food and drinks that I've been loving. So as far as like recipes that I've been loving, they're both chicken recipes. The first one is the melt in your mouth chicken. Oh my God, it's so good every time we have it. So it's chicken breast, and then you do this mixture of sour cream, Parmesan cheese, and seasonings, and then you put that on top of the chicken and you bake it for like 25 minutes. And with that, I do air fried baby Dutch potatoes, and I have the recipe for both of those. I'll put those down below. It's so good and so easy. It's one of those meals you can make in under 30 minutes. I like easy meals that are good, and that's one that we make probably like every 2 weeks or so. It's just so good. And I recently started to make the creamy Tuscan chicken pasta, and I showed that quickly in my week in the life of a full-time influencer blog. It's so good. I love like Italian dishes, anything that has like sun-dried tomatoes and Parmesan cheese in it. Oh, it's so good. I'm a big fan of pasta too. So if you love pasta, you love chicken and like Italian flavors, definitely check out that. As far as ice cream goes, one of my favorite ice creams lately has been the Talenti confetti cookie ice cream. So I saw it on an ad a couple of months ago. Me and Adrian, we've loved Talenti for years. Like once we got put on that, like we would not stop getting that. And Adrian picked that ice cream up for me for my birthday, and it's so good. It has sprinkles in it, vanilla ice cream, it has cookies in it, like sugar cookies. It's so good, like, oh, it's so good. And lastly, I've been enjoying the LaCroix like sparkled soda. I think it's called like sparkling soda. First of all, if you are trying to cut back on calories, it's a 0-calorie sparkling drink. So if you want the soda taste without the calories, then that's a good alternative. Some people will not like it. It's like an acquired taste, but I have grown to really love LaCroix. And some of my favorite flavors are limoncello and ras cranberry. Those are two of my favorites, but they have so many different varieties to choose from. Again, it's not for everybody, because I put up a poll to see if people liked LaCroix, and a lot of people said they didn't. So tell me down below, what's your favorite flavor? What should I try? I've tried so many of them, like lemon, I've tried lime and tangerine, and a lot of others. If you have a favorite LaCroix flavor, tell me what it is down below. Those are all of my current favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I am so excited about the content that I'm going to be creating in Q4. I'm just super excited. So if you want to be a part and watch all the content that I have coming up for you guys, make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.